Hello, this is how to repair an inflatable using a hot glue gun instead of the vinyl repair kit. So I found two holes on this inflatable. That's about $20. You see one hole over there we found and marked it and put about a quarter size patch on it with the hot glue gun. And we put this one on there. So you use the hot glue gun, you use your glue sticks. So you get about $10 or so wrapped up in that versus these vinyl repair patches, which tend not to hold very well. You can clean this up with some rubbing alcohol and that'll dry off pretty good. You put the hot glue on there and then you put the packing tape over the top of it and press it down, and then wait about a good 5 or 10 minutes. And you should be able to carefully peel off this packing tape and have a nice patch there. So I'm going to show you how to do that with pretending there's a hole. Pretend there's a hole there. That's it. And you have your packing tape ready to go. And put it down on top of the hole, press down to the hot area a little bit, kind of round out the edges, wait a good 5 minutes or so, and your inflatable should be repaired. Show you a couple other inflatables that I was able to save today. You can work on these while there's air in them. And we have this rather large, expensive flamingo, and it got a hole in it, and repaired that. So let's take the tape off here, and hopefully that patch will hold up. I can throw a little water on there just to see, make sure it's holding okay. That's why I like the hot glue gun, because of all these creases and different things. I can clean that up a little bit. But the flamingo's head would fall in the water while the thing was deflating. You can see we've got another inflatable here. It's rather expensive. It's about 7 or 8 feet across. Have a center ring, have a other middle-ish ring, and then have the outer ring. So the way to fill these things up is using one of these, and you can plug that into your car, right? So you got your on-off switch, right? And this is the fill side, and then this is the vacuum side. So when you go to get the air out, a lot of people don't know, you can flip this around and actually vacuum the air out of your inflatable. Now this is supposed to have a graduated series of fills on there, and we somehow lost that over time. So we can use it on these bigger ones. We had this hole here, which was actually, as you can see, a rather large gash in the middle. You can kind of see the light shining through there. It's hard to get that to focus. See if I can get it to focus. Alright, so that middle gash right there. And I worked on it while it was filled with air. And it's not that pretty, don't care. I was able to save it, and it's holding air. Alright, so we had another hole. Let's see, over here somewhere. Not right there. And this outer ring, definitely, you can see there was another hole there, and patched that up pretty good. But this outer ring has another hole. So that's why you might want to work on it while it has air in it. Alright, good luck, and stay safe in the water. Have your kids wear a life vest if they're in any kind of boats or next to the water if they're young. Take it easy.